G'day and welcome back to another delivery unboxing video. I have two Autoart slot cars to share with you, a 124 scale and a 132 scale. Unfortunately, the 132 did turn up damaged. We'll get into that a little bit later on, but let's check out the 124 scale Subi and the 132 scale Lamborghini. So let's kick it off with the 124 scale, the Subaru Impreza WRC 2004, driven by Mr. Solberg, car number one. Now, for those playing at home, Autoart used to make slot cars under the Autoart slot racing banner. They no longer do. Now, this is only going to be a quick look at the packaging. We will do a full teardown and unboxing in a future video, and of course, a hot lap. But I just want to show you some, I think, unique slot cars in our world. These are collectible to me now. They're not the most, I say, desirable for a racer, but for me as a collector of die-cast and of course slot cars, this is a must. So a really cool looking package, massive crystal case. It is 124 scale, and I've got to admit, these are really well done when it comes to model like. They look good. How do they perform? We'll find that out in a future video, but there you have it, a quick look at the 124 scale Subaru Impreza WRC 2004. So next up is the 132 scale. It's the Lamborghini Diablo GTR, one of my poster cars as a young fella. But unfortunately, this did arrive damaged. Now, I've got to give credit to the eBay seller. Gave me a partial refund. I can use this as a display, or we can do a custom, which I'll touch on that in the tick. But again, let's have a quick look around the display case. Now, this is 132 scale. I did show you 124. Autoart did make both scales back in the day. For me, I think they're quite collectible. Do they go well? Some do, some don't. They're not for a racer. But I love the finish of this. It's the GTR version of the Diablo. I absolutely love it. And as you can see, unfortunately, there's damage to the rear right. Now, being an older slot car, these are quite brittle. It could have been damaged in shipping. It could have even been damaged when it was put in the box by Autoart back in the day. They are quite brittle, these old slot cars. So unfortunately, this won't be a runner. The future video I think we'll do on this will be a custom or something similar. I'll reach out to you guys and girls to see should we do a full-blown custom on this and see how quick we can get it, how cool we can make it look, or do we put it in a heap and make it look cool in some kind of diorama? I'm not too sure. But there you have it, the Lamborghini Diablo GTR by Autoart, slot racing, awesome. So that's a wrap on today's delivery unboxing. I do like to keep these delivery unboxings short and sweet. I like sharing what I'm purchasing or what I'm receiving. We will get into bigger reviews for these two in the future. It is hard to try and do two things at once, the delivery unboxing and then review two cars. Unfortunately, the 132 scale GTR, it's damaged. I want you to tell me in the comments, what should we do? Should I send this around the world and get people to add things to it? Should I try and do a custom? Maybe not the world thing, it's going to cost me a fortune in postage, but we'll do something with the Lambo. The 124 scale I think is quite unique. I love 124 scale. Even having Autoart slot cars I think is really cool because they don't make them anymore, and to me as a collector, they're a no-brainer. Are they race ready? Definitely not. But the 124 scale, the Subi, is four-wheel driven, as you can see on the back of the package, which is really, really cool. We'll do a full review on the 124 scale Subi in the future. Of course, a hot lap, and hopefully the track gets bigger before that hot lap. I'm not too sure yet, but nevertheless, it will hit the track. But there you go. Which is your favorite out of these two? What should I do with this one? But as always, at THATSLOTCARGUYOZ on Instagram and YouTube. Take care, be safe, support your local. Ciao.